All right, new shipment of vinyl has arrived. I can finally finish the car. I only have mirror, roof, a little bit of the front bumper, and a little bit of the rear bumper, and then I'm finally done.
2,000 years later.
Man, I still have the whole roof to go. This is all I have left. All right, gotta make another order. All right, so I'm gonna do that in black. I think that's gonna look good. So, all right, let me just cut, I don't know, about roughly there. That should probably be a good size. All right, we are getting there. I think one more cut, and then I'll just take off about right there, and something about right there. That probably should fit. All right. Oh, what? Dang it, I cut one too short again.
You didn't use a measuring tape?
No, I mean, I used my eye, kind of, you know.
Should have used the ruler.
This is the third time I've done this piece. Man, no wonder I keep running out.
All right, Brian, finished up with this piece. I think it's time to go get some lunch. Just need to grab my keys real quick.
Mike, are you gonna change your shirt or clothes?
No, I'm good.
Well,
I'm good.
I think you do
I'm
have
fine.
a little...
Dude, I'm hungry.
See you later. All right, see you later. I think something like that, right there.
That'll work.
What? Hold on. Hold on. All right, that's upside down. All right, here we go. Nice straight line. All right, let's lay the vinyl on it. I think something like that would be a perfect cut to it.
You need the scissors?
No, I got it. This is really easy to use.
I think I'll grab you the scissors.
No, I got it.
Your fingers are gonna be so raw.
No, I got it. I got it.
You want me to try?
Nope, I got it.
Well, I think I'm gonna go eat again.
Nope, I got it.
See you later.
Yeah. All right, so I'll just probably lay that right about there. Just make sure the surface is nice and clean. Now, when you guys are doing this at home, you want to make sure, obviously, no grease or oils or anything are on the paint. But now that everything is clean, I'm gonna lay this down. Let me just get the scissors, so I'll be right back.
Oh, Brian, this is looking really good, dude.
Thanks.
I like it.
Dude.
Man, what?
I just cleaned this. I'm making a tutorial.
It looks like the same gray.
When you put your finger on it, it puts oil and stuff. So now that it's clean, all right, I gotta cut this real quick.
Man, what'd you use? Knifeless tape here?
Dude,
Look at how smooth this is.
don't put your fingers where the vinyl needs to go. Okay?
But it's not. This is the vinyl here.
No, like it's overlapping. Okay.
But you just touched it.
All right, now that's clean. Don't touch it. All right. Ow! 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 Oh, I don't want to kneel on that now.
Ooh, that's hot, that's hot.
All right, so this piece should be big enough. Just gonna kind of pull it here. Hey Mike, you mind just holding this right there?
Yeah, give me a sec.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
All right. Mike, hey,
I'm coming.
can you just
I'm coming.
hold it right up quick?
Yeah, give me a sec.
All right, I'll just start up here then.
Okay, it'll be good. It'll be fine.
All right, hey, I'm gonna hold here. Can you just hold the top real quick?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm coming.
All right, just hold the top real quick.
Okay. I got it.
I just gotta measure. Or you got it?
Yeah.
All right. Let me get scissors. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. That is a quick look of what is actually kind of going on behind the scenes. Staged a little bit, obviously, for this video.
Yeah.
But in all honesty, it takes some effort. There's a lot of downsides of wrapping your car yourself, especially doing it this piece-by-piece method. You will have vinyl stuck to you. Your dog will get it stuck to them.
It's stuck all over the floor right now.
Yeah.
Which is weird. It sticks better to concrete than the car.
But take your time with it. Teamwork, work together on it. It's challenging, just holding bigger pieces, cutting them. Measured twice, cut once. You wouldn't believe how many times I've cut something literally an inch too short, actually sometimes that much too short. So take your time with it, have some fun with it, and you can make your car pretty unique for, you know, $200-300 bucks. But yeah, there are some downsides.
That, and it takes about a week and a half, depending on having to order more vinyl and how much time you're willing to put in each day.
Made another order, more should be here, so I'm still not done, but yeah, 4 or 5 days into it so far.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the rest of the GTR wrap. The R8 videos have been up if you want to go back and check out how we did that car.
But yeah, that's just a quick look behind the scenes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a huge thumbs up, smash the subscribe button. We have merchandise, link is in the description below. Definitely check it out. We'll see you guys in the next video.
The things you do for a video.
The sad thing is, this is so true. Like,
we're just staging it, but yeah.
How many times do we have vinyl stuck all over us? Here you go, let me stick that somewhere.
We should have showed Maddie with all her vinyl walking around.
Yeah.
I don't want to put it on my hair. Oh, it doesn't even stick to my pants.